Hi, in this video I will be showing you how to turn on and off the flashlight function on the Aspera R32. There is two ways to do this. Both of these methods need the phone to be unlocked. So now we're going to unlock our phone by pressing the top left key and the star key. The first method is holding down the 0 key for 3 seconds to turn on the flashlight, and the prompt will come up and say on, and your flashlight function is now on. To turn it off, again hold down the same 0 key for 3 seconds, and the prompt will be off, and the flashlight is now off. The other method is by going to Menu and scrolling to Organizer, and go into Organizer by pressing the Center key. Scroll all the way down to Torch and turn it on by pressing the top left key, and the torch is on. To turn it off, again press the top left key. Thank you for watching this video.